This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. You do get the option to connect. As you can see here, this is connection button. Once you do tap on it, you pretty much will ask for connection request. It will start connecting in no time. So very simple, very straightforward VPN application here. As you can see, it's still taking a while to connect, and I'm just wait until the VPN connection is connected. So as you can see here, it's currently counting up to 100%. As you can see here, once it reach 100, it will be connected. So you'll be able to add 90 minutes connection time for completely free. As you can see here, just tap on this option, and you'll be able to add 90 minutes for completely free. You do get 30 minutes connection time for completely free as well. So do comment below and let me know your thoughts on this VPN application. I do think it's a decent speed, not super fast, but a decent VPN connection speed. And as well, if you do want to add more than 90 minutes, you'd have to watch an ad. As you can see here, 120 minutes. You pretty much have to watch an ad for that. So you don't get much server, but you can tap on this option at the top here to go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. But they're just USA and Canada, not much. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you out.